there was no distrust between the four nations, then we would have been one nation. Both US is a democracy, we are a democracy. What stops us from being one nation? Because we don't trust each other on various issues. Historically, if you see, the Western nations have been basically trying to use technology as an excuse to continue the disproportionate economic benefit that they were getting from the trade regimes that have been created. And so clearly, there is a underlying distrust. Why did the UK not accept the vaccine certification from India? Why are they putting pressure on WHO to not accept the Indian-made vaccines, right? Because technology is wealth. There is a friction between the existing Quad countries because there is already a race of technology going on between these four countries. And therefore, why will they allow another entity to come out and become the leader? So there will be a distrust. But what usually happens, and this is being used even in space psychology, that if you have a third party which is threatening all the existing players, they tend to band together, and that is what is essentially happened. There is China, which is threatening US, it's threatening India, it's threatening Australia and Japan. To the extent that they warn Japan that we will stop giving you rare earth metals, which essentially means that the entire electronics industry of Japan will come down to its halt. And they actually stopped supplying rare earth metals to Japan, and this was about 5-6 years back. To the extent that then Japan tried to mine from its electronic waste and see if they could extract the rare earth metals, which is not economically feasible. So there has been a threat from China to each of these countries. And because of the threat, we are banded together, right? So it's because of the situation we are banded together. And that is where the term realpolitik was created to explain the realism in our policies. So all of us have chosen to be independent nations, and therefore we need to look after our best interest. And from time to time, that interest keeps changing. As of now, the interest is that four of us should get together, use our leverage and power to protect ourselves from the new threat that has come up on the horizon.